everybody, and so I have a hovercraft here with me, and this is how you make a hovercraft from the previous videos, which was only one video, I think. But anyways, so how you make it is you go to Home Depot for the skirt. You get a 4 ml to 6 ml. This one's 4 ml to 6 ml, and 6 ml
plastic skirt that's like. Hey, give me a shower curtain. Hi.
And so, it works by, the 10 ml skirt is $24, versus $25, and the 4 ml skirt is $10. And then, for the board, we just use a normal board from our house. You can get an OSB wood from Home Depot.
And make sure it looks like durable enough for your weight. Yeah.
Yeah, and so then you use a lot of tape. And also you use a black Decker leaf blower, and then so ours is with wire, except yours can be without wireless. So yeah, except for us, we just took off the tubing, which is this, and then we used tape and we taped it down. And then we had 5 holes in the bottom, I think. How much was it?
4 to 5 holes in the bottom.
We actually need 6, but we did 4 to 5. It was working.
Yeah, so it like depends. You have to like kind of play with your hovercraft after you're done building the first part of it, because you need to like test it out every time that you're done doing something.
Yeah, and
you never know.
Also,
you need to balance everything.
Also, when you're doing it, you should do it inside your garage, but I recommend doing it one time on the driveway down. You know, if your driveway is just soft, you do it, but our driveway is kind of rough. And so we just went one down the driveway, and then we got some scratches on the bottom, and that made it go faster because it was a hose, and it actually helped. So yeah, you can do that, and well, yeah. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, bye, and boy. Wait, I can't find that. Okay, here.